morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Wow, it's really nice to see you again in this classroom. So, today we are from group 6, 7, and then we are going to do a presentation, which the thing is about the scientific phenomenon. And then, like you guys already said in front of you guys, there is a volcano simulation, which we are going to do an experiment. The experiment is volcano eruption simulation. And then, before we start the presentation and the experiment thing, I'm gonna introduce myself and my group. So, my name is Adi Ramadan. I'm the moderator of the presentation and also the first speaker of the presentation. Without further ado, let's start the presentation. So, the presentation will be started by me because I'm the first speaker. Okay? I'm gonna tell you guys about why we do the experiment and why we do the presentation. The purpose. So, the purpose why we do the presentation, the volcano eruption simulation, is to demonstrate the chemical reaction between an acid and a base. And then to